How to recover Yahoo account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open any of the browser, and in the search bar you want to search for Yahoo support. Now open very first link that you see right here. You just want to go ahead and tap on it. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go ahead and tap on add, change or remove a recovery method. Now scroll down a little bit and then tap on no. Now scroll down a little bit and then tap on send feedback. Tap on fix problem signing into Yahoo. Now you want to scroll down a little bit and then you want to go ahead and tap on any of these. Tap on the blue sentence right there, and then you will reach to this page where you want to enter your email or phone number that will help you to recover your Yahoo account. Then you want to tap on continue. After that, a verification code will be sent to this number and you will be able to recover your Yahoo account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.